the physics, mathematics, equation, principle, or a formula. So possible outcome of something like this triangular prisma, this triangular prisma, possible an outcome of this triangular prisma, possible landing on something just like the moon. Moon maybe may appear like this, a triangular prisma sometimes. So 1 divided by x side is greater than or equal to one side. X side is less than number of infinity of sides plus 1 divided by x side. X side is greater than or equal to one side. X side is less than number of sides of infinity. So if we throw this on the moon, it will be 1 divided by 5. If the moon looks like this, so 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 equal to 0.4. So most planets they appear like this, triangular prisma. If I throw this on the moon, it's like just throwing a triangular prisma. 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 equal to 0.4. This is how this formula equation or principle works in physics and mathematics education or knowledge. That's all about my explanation about this principle. So I name it, it is a physics or mathematics principle.